Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike. Today is day 13 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge, almost 2 weeks already. Today our mantra is, I am healthy. I am healthy. So roll your mat, grab some water, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to start a little bit differently today. We're going to begin in a nice seated position and we're just going to take a couple minutes to warm up the body. So first, let's come back to our natural breath and let's repeat the mantra to ourselves or out loud. I am healthy. I am healthy. Breathe it in. Know it to be true. And when you're ready, we'll plant our right hand beside us in line with our right hip. Inhale, reach our left arm up towards the sky. And then reach over to the right with our left arm. Feeling this nice stretch in the left side body. Option here to come onto your elbow of your right arm. Just make sure you keep both sit bones on the ground. Exhale, come back to center and take it over to the other side. Inhale, lift your right arm up towards the sky. Reach over to the left with your right arm. Exhale, come back to center, and from here we'll inhale, bring both arms up towards the sky. Exhale, this time twist to the right, placing the right hand behind you, your right arm acting as a second spine, and your left hand resting on your right thigh, making sure you avoid the knee. And we'll inhale to lengthen, exhale to twist, warming up the spine. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, bring both hands up. Exhale, twist over to the other side. Left arm acting as a second spine. Right hand resting on right thigh. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Almost 2 weeks already. Crazy. Exhale, come back to center. And from here, let's make our way onto all fours. I'll take a few rounds of cat-cow, stacking the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, pushing in to your hands and the tops of your feet. Fingers are spread wide. And you kind of have this engagement in your hands like you're opening up a pickle jar. So your triceps come in. And we'll inhale, drop the belly, open the heart. Exhale, rounding the spine. Moving with your breath. Let's do one more round. From here, let's kick the intensity up a notch, so we'll do some leg extensions. So keep pressing into the hands and the left leg. We'll inhale, extend the right leg out long. Exhale, bring the right knee into nose. Inhale, extend. Let's do 10 of these. That's 1. It's 5 more. Come back to all fours right away to get over to the other side. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bring it in. Five more. back to all fours. And we'll take it over to the right side again, but this time extend our left arm. So extend the right leg long, extend the left arm long, and bring left knee and right knee in together. So inhale, exhale, bring it in. We'll do 10 of these. Five more. Back to all fours, take it over to the other side. Extend the right arm out long and the left leg out long. Inhale here, exhale, draw it in. Five more. Back to all fours. From here, we'll make our way into a plank pose, a high plank. We'll stay here for 10 breaths. From here, let's do 10 plank drops. So dropping our right elbow down, followed by our left, picking our right hand up, followed by our left. So let's do 20 of these, so 10 on each side. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's switch arms. This time, drop the left elbow down. 10 on this side. Keep that core engaged. 5 more, we got this. Last one. Here, make your way into a downward facing dog. Get your breath here. Pedaling out the legs. I am healthy. You are healthy. We are healthy. From here, let's inhale, bring the right leg up, exhale, right knee to right elbow, inhale up, exhale, knee to nose, inhale up, left elbow, inhale up, exhale, step the right foot forward, rise up into a high lunge. Let's do 5 lunge dips. 1, exhale, plant the hands, move through your flow. Exhale, come back to down dog. Inhale, pick the left foot up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Knee to nose. Knee to right elbow. Exhale, slip the left foot between the hands, rise up, high lunge. Let's do 5 lunge dips. Exhale, plant the hands, move through your flow. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. From here, let's come onto the forearms, keeping the legs where they are in a dolphin pose. So letting the crown of the head hover, looking back at your feet. Nice little isometric exercise. It's like 10 breaths here. Exhale, drop the knees down, keep the arms where they are, and we'll keep the left knee where it is, and we'll extend the right arm or the right leg out long. And from here we'll do some single leg saw crunches. So basically it's just like, it's kind of like half a mountain climber. So we're gonna bring our knee into our chest towards our nose and then extend it back out again. So let's do 20 rounds on this side, and then we'll go over to the other side. So let's begin. That's 10 more. Take it over to the other side, extend the left leg out long. When you're ready, let's begin. 20 on this side. Keep that core engaged. That's 10 more. Three, 2, 1. Let's come back and take a rest in the child's pose. Knees can be together or as wide as the mat. Your forehead resting on the mat. Again, repeat to yourself, I am healthy. Next exhale, come forward. Let's take a cobra pose. Looking one way and the other. And let's come back to downward facing dog. Now your next inhale, let's come on to the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale halfway, exhale fold, inhale root to rise, exhale hands through heart by your sides. We'll finish off day 13 with a superset of squats and push-ups, starting with 20 squats, 20 push-ups, 15 squats, 15 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 push-ups, no rest. So when you're ready, let's begin. 20 squats, here we go. That's 10 more. Three, 2, 1. Let's do 20 push-ups. Come on the knees if you have to. 10 more. One more. Right back into the squats. Let's do 15. That's 10, 5 more. 15 push-ups, we got this. 15. Let's finish strong. 10 squats. Here we go. Five more. Last one. We got this, guys. 10 more push-ups, and then we're done. Two more. Whew. Oh, great job, everyone. Whew. I need to catch my breath after that. Day 13 in the books. Way to go. Tomorrow will be 2 weeks. Let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing journey. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste. We are healthy.